Understanding for loops. What is a for loop? A for loop is a type of control structure that's used to repeat a code block a set number of times. They are ideal for iterating over arrays list, numeric ranges. The construction of a for loop. For the components, the initialization or the starting point begins with the for, and then the condition is given. It defines what to do and when to stop looping. And there's also the update, increment, or decrement the counter, which is seen in the I++. As you can see right here in this example, the for is given, and then there's the initialization and the condition, as well as the increment given by the I++. You can see the output here, which is what happens as the for loops through until I becomes 4, and then for the next loop, it would be 5, which would break the condition, which would force it to stop looping. Practical examples and use cases. Very practical for iterating over arrays and collections, performing repetitive tasks like printing numbers, and it also simplifies code by reducing manual manipulation, hence the looping through a set of instructions. For this example right here, you can see an integer list given here, integer array, and the for loop given to iterate over this array, as well as the increment to raise the number. This is your explanation here. Starts at I1 and runs until I is greater than or equal to the numbers dot length, and each iteration prints the current index with its corresponding array element. To wrap up, for loops are another fundamental tool for handling many repetitive tasks in programming. They reduce code duplication and simplifying processes, so you don't have to do as much manual manipulation, and also simplifies the cleanliness of the code, along with other processes like iterating over arrays or other numeric ranges. Thank you for listening to my video on the for loop.